IFMSA, my name is Agostinho Souza. I am the actual liaison officer for medical education issues, and I am creating this tutorial to help you in the registration process of the IFMSA Yahoo groups, because I know that you are with some problems about finding them, how the registration process is going on. So I expect that in the end of this tutorial you can register on them very easily. So let's start. The first thing that you have to do is open a browser like Firefox or Chrome or Internet Explorer and go to Google. And in Google you can search for Yahoo groups. And it will appear these results, and in the first web link, that is Yahoo groups, join or create groups, you have to enter in it by clicking on it, and then it will appear this page, and you have to go to find a Yahoo group, and in here you have to write, for example, IFMSA General, and click on search, and then there are some results that will appear. The one that has interest for us by the moment is IFMSA General, but as you can see there are more results, for example IFMSA SCOME, IFMSA SCOF, and some results that doesn't have any interest like this one. So you have to click on IFMSA General to enter in this group, and then this page will appear. As you can see, there are in this group a lot of messages. Some of them appear from 1999 until now. After accessing this group, you can have access to all of these messages and all of the messages that will come in the future. So you have to enter in this group, you have to click on join this group, and then this page will appear. If you have an Yahoo account, it will be a lot simpler. You have just to fulfill these parameters. But if you have, for example, a Google account, it will be a little bit more difficult. So I will explain you that by that way. So you have to click in here, sign in with Google, and then another window will appear. I will put email account that I created for this tutorial, IFMSA tutorial, then I will put the password and then sign in. After putting the password and signing in, you have to click on allow. After that it will appear this page. You have to put your first name, your last name, and your birthday. I will put just this birthday as an example, and then continue. Another window will appear where you have to create a Yahoo profile. So to create a Yahoo profile, you have to click on this web link very little in here. You click on it one time, and then you have to click again in sign in with Google. You have to put the password again, sign in, and then this page will appear. To enter in the Yahoo groups, you have to create alias, and that you have to click in here and, for example, create IFMSA tutorial, and then click on save in here. As you can see, there are some problems. I cannot use this username. So like you see the rules, I will create, for example, IFMSA 2013, and then click on save, and now it's possible to enter. So I now have this kind of username. You have to click on close, and now I can select Yahoo profile. I have this one. I have just to create continue. Congratulations, your profile is selected. and now I can access everything in IFMSA General. So I am in this group. You have to register to enter in the group, and now in some groups you have to wait for being accepted. For example, just check this thing. Okay. Before you're not, by now you're not in the group. You have still to click on join this group in here. Join this group. And now you have to follow these quick steps. Your contact information that is already here, the email address, and how you would like the message to be delivered. It can be individual email, the daily digest that only receives one email from this group per day instead of a lot of emails. I usually receive individual email, but you can select as you like. So you have these things, and then you just have to type this code in here and click on join in here. There are some mistakes. Okay, it doesn't match the image. And click on join. Okay, membership confirmed, and now I am a member of group. You click on continue, and now you can see all the messages that are going around in the IFMSA general group. Like I said, if you click on home here, you can access the information about the past, and you will receive on your email the message that enter in this group for the future. So we register in the IFMSA General, but for example, you want to receive the news of your standing committee. You have to go to your group, Yahoo groups again, and find another group. For example, SCOMI. I'm being a little bit biased but you understand. So IFMSA SCOMI, we detect IFMSA SCOMI in here. You click on this group, and now we'll do the same process, but it will be a lot simpler because we already registered in the Yahoo email, kind of. So you click in join this group, and you just have to follow these steps as we did before. Is everything okay? Put the code 6754 and click on join. Okay, because in IFMSA SCOMI, and I think in IFMSA Europe that I will show you in the future, you have to supply a comment for the group owner, because you only can be accepted after the confirmation of the owner of the group, that in this case is Luisa, the Standing Committee on Medical Education Director, and she has to accept you first. And that also happens in other standing committees, so you will not be automatically registered. You have to wait for confirmation. For example, you can write, I am a student of medicine that likes medical education, being actually blow me on certain animal. For example, you explain why you want to register in this group. Just put like this, and because there is no need to be registered, and by this moment, but with this email, and now you just have to put the codes. And now you click on join. So as you see, the membership is pending. Now you go back to the Yahoo Group's homepage, and you can find, for example, the Yahoo group of your region. For example, my region is Europe, so I will look for IFMSA Europe, search, and then we have to look it for it, and I can't find it. Maybe sometimes it's a little bit difficult. It is, but sometimes if you put something like this, the group will appear. So we found the group, we click on it, and it's the same process. Join this group, same process, tell the group owner you write the message, and now C6G4A. And as you see, membership is pending. Usually you just have to wait 1-2 days to be accepted, and after that you will start to receive the messages automatically. You don't have to do anything, and that's everything. And I expect that I did something very wrong, and I think it was the basic stuff that you will need to register in the groups, in the general, in their standing committee, and in your region. If you have any doubt or any comments, I will put my contacts in the description of this video, and also a guide that I will do based on the Yahoo group registration process of SCOME that I did some months ago. And after that, I think you have all the tools to have our information, the information about your region, the information about everything of IFMSA. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any doubts, like I said, just contact me. So thank you for watching. See you next time.